Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Julie Atkins and I will be your instructor for our course. I'm so glad you are here and I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you over the next 6 weeks. In this presentation, I will go over some expectations I have for you in this course. With regards to discussion postings and responses to others, I do expect them to be turned in on time. You will see that I actually have a grace period of what I consider late for initial discussion postings. Initial discussions submitted by Friday at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time will be accepted. Anything posted past that time will not. Your minimum of 2 responses to others must be made by Monday at midnight Mountain Standard Time to be accepted. You are encouraged to make responses on at least 2 separate days to help foster ongoing dialogue. The reason why I do not accept late discussion thread postings is that I equate the discussions to sitting in a real classroom having a discussion on the topic. If you post late, it makes facilitating the discussions difficult and we miss out on your great insights that could contribute to our learning. As for written assignments, there is a standardized late policy where you have up to 3 days past the due date to submit an assignment with a maximum late penalty of 10%. After the 3rd day, the assignment will not be accepted. Now, I completely understand that sometimes life circumstances may get in the way of us reaching our deadlines. And while those hiccups will happen, all I ask is that you simply reach out to me requesting an extension prior to the due date. In most cases, I will grant the extension for discussions and overlook any late penalty for written assignments. The key thing to remember is that you just communicate with me. I am here to support you when things may not be going as planned. I am available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Saturday mornings. I do work hard to reserve Sundays to be with my family, as I too work to find that balance between family and my professional life. If the above times do not work with your schedule, please just email me and we can coordinate a common time that works for both of us. I typically respond to any emails and texts within 24 hours, the latest within 48 hours. And then finally, remember, if you do need to discuss any personal information or your grades, please call, email, or text me to ensure that your student privacy rights are protected. Do not ask these types of questions within the course thread. I pride myself on providing you all explicit feedback to help you improve upon your writing. For your discussions, I will provide summative comments in the dialogue box, noting areas of strength and needed improvement. For written assignments and journals, it is so important that you go back to Waypoint once your grade has been posted, that you view the summative comments I have provided in addition to the embedded comments. These embedded comments will point out specific things within your paper to help you improve. It is my hope that with each assignment, you are able to use this feedback to make improvements on future assignments, as it always validates the time I give to do this. Therefore, if I pointed out an error, please work to make those changes in future papers. Academic recycling may be defined as the resubmission of all or a portion of work that the student previously submitted for another assignment in a prior course. Many courses, especially in education, are interconnected, but I do not expect to have an exact copy of a prior assignment. With that being said, partial recycling of papers is allowed in this course. However, all submissions in this course must demonstrate substantial new learning related to the course concepts and learning objectives. Under no circumstances are you allowed to submit an exact copy of a prior paper and attempt to satisfy an assignment in this course. If it is determined that you have recycled prior work for an assignment, a point deduction will apply. The number of points deducted will be determined on a case-by-case basis. Each week you have your weekly lessons. Do take the time to review them. They definitely will provide you with additional support in successfully completing your discussions and your assignments. The weekly lessons are structured in the following manner. You'll have an introduction that shares the course learning outcomes. and prepares you for what you will be learning about. Then the learning activities will go into a bit more detail about the expectations for your discussions and your assignments. Often you'll find additional tidbits on how to successfully complete the assignment. There may be a video that will further support you, as well as exemplars. Then there will be a lesson, which basically is the instructor sharing their expertise. It's just additional information to further enhance your learning. And then the last part of the weekly lesson includes some tips for success. And they generally are tips related to APA or writing or researching. So be sure to check those out each week. Some other things to consider if you haven't done so already is to upload a photo to your profile and write a little bit about yourself. This is a great way for others to get to know you and actually see you, and it stays with you from course to course, so you only have to do it once and you're done. Additionally, throughout the course, every assignment will include a template to further guide you and support your success with the assignment, so be sure to use them. The links are provided directly in the assignment instructions. And then finally, be sure to always read the weekly announcements I provide. They will provide additional insights relating to your learning and assignments each week. I want to leave you with a final thought from Ty Howard as we embark on the next 6 weeks together. The teacher who truly cares is the teacher who fearlessly stares any student dead in their eyes while telling them, "You are better, you can do better, and you will do better. I will believe in you for you. Now let's achieve your better together." I appreciate you taking the time to listen to my presentation, and I look forward to the next 6 weeks together.